Now we will study parallel resonance circuit. In the parallel resonance circuit, inductor and capacitor both are connected in the parallel combination, and it is known as tank circuit, where inductor and capacitor are connected in the parallel combination. Let the alternating voltage is applied, V is equal to V naught sin omega t. In the parallel combination, current is divided into two parts. In the inductor, current IL is passing. In the capacitor, current IC is passing. So we can say the total current I is equal to IL plus IC. This is equation number first. For inductor, we know I naught cos omega t, and it is minus. I naught is equal to V naught upon XL into cos omega t. For the capacitor, we know IC is equal to I naught into cos omega t, and I naught is V naught by XC into cos omega t. Put the value of IL and IC in the equation number first. We get V naught by XC cos omega t minus V naught by XL into cos omega t. I is equal to V naught common, cos omega t common, 1 by XC minus 1 by XL. We know XL equal to omega L, XC is equal to 1 upon omega C. If we take the reciprocal, 1 by XC, that is equal to omega C. So therefore we can write I is equal to V naught cos omega t into, this will be omega C minus 1 by omega L. If I is 0, then omega C minus 1 by omega L is equal to 0. We can write omega C is equal to 1 by omega L, or we can write omega square 1 by LC, or omega is equal to under root 1 by LC. Now we can write omega is 2 pi nu 1 by under root LC. Therefore we can write nu is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. This frequency is called parallel resonance frequency. Therefore, at this particular frequency, current will be 0. If current is 0, opposition will be maximum. So we can say that impedance is maximum in the parallel resonance circuit. Graph between current and frequency. This is current I naught, this is frequency, and this is resonant frequency. In the parallel resonance circuit, at this particular frequency, current is 0. At this point, current is 0 and impedance is maximum. So this parallel resonance circuit is known as filter circuit.